Open the docs link in description. First you need to download Node.js for this to work. Just click on the download version for your computer. You will also need a IDE to edit the code, so I suggest you download Notepad++. Once you are done, head over to this GitHub repository. This is a script to generate your NFT collection. Download zip. Now extract it. This way we can actually edit the code inside. Now let me explain about NFT. A NFT is made up of several layers. This script picks a random background, then a random body, and a random accessory. This way your NFT is formed. Now let's go back to the folder then layers and you will see many layers. We will be making our own, so let's delete them. Now we will be making our own layers, so let's go to pixelart.com. Start a new drawing. Now we need inspiration for what we want to make. So open up a new tab and search something random. I will search duck. Browse through the images until you find something cool. I will just choose this image. Right click and save the image. Now open the image and edit it to make it a square. I'm using the Windows Photo app that comes with all Windows computers. Now save the photo and go to resizeimage.net. Upload the image you cropped. Uncheck keep aspect ratio and change it to 32:32. Then change this percentage to 7. Click resize image and download. Once it's downloaded, just go back to pixel art and open the image. Select the image you resized. Now the image is easily editable and pixelated, so it's easy to draw on. Just add a new layer. I will name this body 1. Now use the drawing tool and make a black outline around the figure. Also make sure to color in the body of the figure. Remember that shading is very important to make your NFT stand out. I will be coloring this body white. You can now uncheck the background to avoid distractions. Then duplicate your body and fill it with another color. Just keep on duplicating and filling with different colors so there's more variation in your NFT. The more body types the better. Now make a new layer, and since my NFT is a duck, I will be making different beaks for it. Just make one beak and keep on duplicating and changing the colors. After that I will be making the accessories. I will first make glasses. Then make a new layer for a hat. Just keep on making as many accessories as possible so we can have more variation in the NFT. I cannot possibly imagine all these accessories, so I need some reference images. Normally I would make 10 to 20 accessories, but I want to keep this tutorial short, so I'm only gonna make 7. You can get inspiration from other NFT as well, such as CryptoPunks. Okay, now let's make the backgrounds. I will name it back 1. Now just uncheck literally everything so it's now a blank page. With blue. Then change your color and use the gradient tool. Now just keep on making random backgrounds with different colors. After you are done, just click download. Then under export layers click all. Now here is all of your layers. Just go extract the folder and open it. Then open the #lips code and go to the layers folder. We will now be creating our own folders according to our layers. Our first folder is the body folder, then it's the accessories folder, the background folder. Now go back and open the src folder. Right click the config.js and edit with Notepad++. Find where it says growth edition size and replace the folder names with our folder names. Remember that the first folder has to be the background folder and the second has to be the body folder. Now save and close. Open the layers folder and drag in all the bodies to the body folder, all the beaks to the beak folder, all the accessories to the accessory folder, and all the backgrounds to the backgrounds folder. Now we will set the rareness of each tray on the NFT. Let's begin with the accessories folder. Name each one with a name and a hashtag followed by the percentage of NFT generated with this accessory. For example, this NFT I just named has a hashtag 10 at the back. This means that 10% of my NFT will have these glasses. Each name is followed by a hashtag and a number. Now let me pull up a notepad to keep track of all the percentages, so they add up to 100 in total. After you make the percentages, just start naming them. A higher number after each hashtag means that there will be more of that trait. A smaller number will mean that the trait is much more rare. Now let's name the backgrounds just like the accessories. Give it a cool background name followed by a hashtag and a number. Okay, now do the same thing to the beaks and bodies. Alright, now we are done naming our NFT. Go back and open the SRC folder. Then right click it and edit with Notepad++. Scroll to where you find Grow Edition Size and change the number to the amount of NFT you want to generate. I will change it to 10 just to test if it works. Now save and close it. Then go back to the main folder and click on the top bar and type CMD to open command prompt in this folder. Then type npm iCanvas, then press enter. This will install all the dependencies needed to run this script. Now type nodeindex.js and press enter. As you can see, it generated 10 NFT because I set the grow size to 10. Let's go to the build folder and see the images generated. These are very cool ducks indeed. Now let's go back to the SRC folder and change the grow size to a much bigger number. I will set this collection to be 2000 because I did not provide enough layers to generate 10,000. You can also change the name and description here with your NFT name. Now type in CMD again and nodeindex.js. This might take a while. Alright, after it's done generating, go to the build folder and check out the images. As you can see, there is 2000 total images because I set the grow value to 2000. You have successfully generated our entire NFT collection.